When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kimmy Kim, and today's video is how I do a slick ponytail on my wet 4B4C hair. Oh yeah, my hair is so good. I can't feel my hair right now, but anyway, before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, follow the girl on all social media, don't skip the ads, and yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I upload another awesome video. So right now I'm doing a side part, so I'm just sectioning like my little soup that I'll be doing because I really want a deep side part slick ponytail. Don't mind my bootleg ponytails. I'm literally washing my ponytails, my bonnet, my silk scarf. I don't know why I did this video today, since I was washing everything. So yeah, I have bootleg stuff right now, so bear with your sister. Right now I'm sectioning the back. As you can see, I put one into a ponytail and I have the other section where I just untangle the hair, and then I put a whole lump of Eco Styler gel. I love Eco Styler gel. Oh my god, I just love it. And as you can see, I'm coating, making sure every strand is coated and untangling the hair. Then I grab my brush so that hair can lay down, no flyaways, nothing. And I put a little baby hair. I'm not into baby hairs, I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm just not into baby hairs. So I do a little swoop and that's it. And I put that section into a ponytail, and then I work on the other section of my hair. Sorry, this is fast at hair. You can't really see how defined the curls are. I'm sorry. I tried, I always try, but whatever. So yeah, I did the same thing that I did on the other side, and then I comb it and use the brush to slick the hair down and add that to the ponytail. Now for your swoop, instead of just putting gel and just laying down the hair, I like to section it just to ensure that, because since my hair is natural and it's not stretched, I want to make sure everything is slaying. So I take a section of hair, put some gel down, and use my brush to lay that hair down, and I keep doing that each section, taking a little small section, so that way it is flat, there's no humps, there's no bumps. But my hair is curly, and no matter what, I will always have curls in my hair. No matter how much I try to stretch it, there's always be a wave. So once it's laying down, I'm happy about that, but I'm okay with the waves. And this is the last section, sisters and bros, and I'm gonna just add that piece to the ponytail in the back, making sure everything is laid down. So like I said, guys, okay, everything is washing. So I really didn't have any silk scarf to lay my hair down, so please do not laugh at me. I'm using what they call these things, that's a coat or whatever. I'm using it to lay my hair down. It is silk, so I needed to use it because, like I told you, everything. Why do I still play in my baby hair, my hair? I'm trying to make baby hair. I don't know what's up with me. I don't know how to make baby hair. Not that I don't know how to make baby hair, I'm just not into it. It's not something that I do. I just put a little gel and that's it. This is it for me. But anyway, so this is what the hair looks like, all slick down. Look at the little petticoat that I'm tied on. I'm putting on my head because everything is in the wash. Like I said, bear with your sister. I'm so sorry, but anyway, I'm putting a little piece. This is my piece. Oh god, it's a mess. I have to order some more, which I will do at a later date. You make sure you have your hair laid down for as long as possible. It was like 2 minutes there. Sorry, I was ready to get out of the house. I was ready to go. I didn't have it laying down for too long, so you already know it will be flying away. But oh well, such is life. And I'm just attaching my little piece here, my little ponytail piece, so that way I look like a bad mama jumba. Anyway, guys, I'm your girl Kimmy Kim. I love y'all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, follow your girl on all social media, and yeah, I love y'all so much. This is what it looks like. Sexy, eh? Sexy Kimmy.
when I walk saw the